morning. Yeah, that's the depressing view. After raining all night and all morning already, no one's here. No one is at the beach or even the boulevard. It's totally empty out here. Even back there in the distance at the bars, just a few single one are there, hiding inside for the wind and for the more upcoming rain. But over there in the distance, yeah, some people are taking a dip in the sea. Well, I won't. Too cold for me. Well, it is going to be 20 degrees today. You wouldn't say so. Definitely not with everyone wearing jackets. That's more due to the rain of this morning. So now let's have a walk around here and see how busy it is. At the bars, yeah. So first let's head towards Uncle Pat's. So the forecast was actually just some rain until 8 in the morning, and now it's already extended until 4 p.m. So it will be a grey day with lots and lots of rain like this for the whole day. At least there's one positive thing, and that is that they're finally going past the other hotel at the Port Benidorm construction. Yeah, this tower over here will be even taller than the one next to it, existing one, and will come at least until like over there. So yeah, it will be a big one. And for today, as beaches are not an option, maybe some shopping, maybe taking a bus towards Finisterre and then do some shopping in the big mall over there. Well, one of the things to do right now is head to the indoor market. At least it's covered over there. And at Mariano's, lots are enjoying a late breakfast. And there we got Silver Dollar and Piccadilly. Piccadilly is empty, no one there. But next door it's quite busy. At least people can take shelter from the rain while enjoying their drinks. Let's go on and head further on and see how it is. At least it's dry right now over here. But it could be raining, start raining any moment. At least there are still plenty available if you want one. Let's see if there's anything going on at the Flash Hotel. Oh, that's a missed opportunity, no one there. Especially with the rain, this indoor location should be packed right now. Instead there's no one, no entertainment, nothing. No sunbathing at the pool as well today. And it just started raining again. So yeah, let's have a look further down the road, Uncle Pat's or anyone's over there, or maybe the other bars down the strip. And then head to Levente beach. Anyone maybe over there, because it's quite empty right now. And yesterday it was quite busy. Not extremely packed or anything, but there were plenty of people. First stop, Riviera Beach. Oh man, they are open. But that is it. At least they're open. Over there. No one. Yeah, no one here. That's a shame. And bottle of Amstel, 150. Some people over here trying to stay covered. And inside also a few, but not that many. Yeah, it seems also like the weather won't improve today. I think over there on the other side they could just close. No one's gonna sit there in the rain unless they put up some umbrellas, but I won't see any now. So there we are at the strip. Let's see if there anything is going on over here. We can find some people maybe having a good time. Over here, John and Joseph's. And at the Wild Duck, at least there's some covering for the rain, so eyesight could be full as well later today. On the opposite, the Western Saloon should be open right now. It's almost 12, but I don't know why they're still closed. Same goes for Hotel California. The Crown Pub still not open, probably due to the fact that there's literally no one here. So, have you ever been to Benidorm with bad weather like this, bad weather, rain, wind? Let me know in the comments below, and let me know what you did then to make the best out of it. Yeah, the Avenida Filipinas, where the new bridge station has opened. Some people are in there, not that many. Further on it's mostly rain right now. At least you can watch the matches out here. I'll be showing later today. Probably one of the activities most people will do. Or some shopping like over there. And over at Rocky it's quite full inside. Loads of people having good times, yeah. At least somewhere. The Broadway always opens late. And railway still closed over here. People walking in the rain. Shamrock. And more. At least they're open. No one there yet, but still. La Marina Hotel preparing their terrace, I don't know for what. Oh, they set up some umbrellas, so people can sit at least dry outside if they want to. And the temperature, yeah, it is rising. It's still gonna be 20 degrees today, so it's not that cold or anything. It's just the rain that makes it not the best weather out here. And over there, Andy's. Few people in there. Definitely not many. Oh, maybe there's a group heading in. And the other side, at Planet Benidorm, yeah, it's busy inside there. Of course, taking shelter, having late breakfast or anything. Good place to go now. Okay, let's see further on what all we can find, and then let's head towards Levente Beach. See maybe the bars over there, anything is going on. Oh, on the other side, Yorkshire Pride, it's full in there. You see? Loaded of people. Same goes for Rovers. And Flamingo, yeah, they'll open late. $1 million on the other side. And Jumping Jacks, there's a group inside. And 2 people out. At least they're trying to enjoy. Well, if it's bad over here, probably Rockstar next door will look quite the same, I think. Let's say, yep, just empty. Music's playing, few people in the back there. Definitely not many. Okay, we've seen this part now. Let's head down towards Levente Beach. See maybe something to see over there. Over here, Monkey Beach. Of course, no one out there, but some people in there having breakfast. It's starting to rain even more now. Should have taken an umbrella. I'm completely soaked already. And the Bulldog, it's full inside. They're looking for a spot, of course, to sit inside because no one wants to sit outside with this weather. And there's a bus heading back to the airport. Full of tourists, probably. Okay, there we are, Levente Beach. Still raining. Back there, some people just had a swim. Yes, they won't be used today. I think no one will be paying €6 to lie down there in the rain for a sun lounger. Let's have a quick look at the bars over there. And then head back towards Tiki Beach. See how that place is booming already. Okay, this is as far as we'll go today. It was a new burger place. At least that will be my favorite spot when it rains outside to go to. Further down, not many people we can see back there. Quite empty, so let's head back. Same goes for the beach. And Penelope, at least they're open, but that's it. Same goes for White Lion. A few groups inside. And the Heartbreak over there. A few folks in at Jolly Roger. Will be busier later today. At least more and most of the bars already. We got Daytona. Also quite full. Seems these ones are the place to go. Yay. They're having a good time. Nice to see. Someone running in the rain. And back there, a few locals enjoying inside. And another day with the yellow flag out. At least there's not the high winds or so. That would have made it unbearable in combination with the rain to be out here today. And the rain just got a little less, thankfully, as well. But there's more to come this afternoon. In fact, it was supposed to stay dry today. At least some rain in the morning, early morning until 8, and then dry the rest of the day. But unfortunately, it changed, and now it'll rain until about 4 p.m. Evening should be dry. And then the next 2 days, I don't know what, probably rain. And from Tuesday onward, it will be sunny again. Sunny, and the temperatures will stay around 20 degrees all the time. And after Tuesday they will rise a bit, I think until 23 or so. So it's at least getting better. So it means we just have 2 days more to survive in dry places like these, where actually no one is right now, here at Cayman, until we can use those sun lounges again and enjoy the nice weather, ocean, swimming pools and everything over here. At least Tiki Beach is quite busy. But it's nothing compared to yesterday when it was very, very busy out here. Maybe more crowds will come later today. Okay, so right now I'm nearly home. I'm gonna put my jacket in the dryer and put on some new dry clothes at least, because I'm soaked. I hope you all like this video. And please do give a like. It greatly helps the promotion of it. Please do subscribe, and hope to see you later. Thank you all for watching.